Hi, today let's make this creamy cheesecake without gelatin. Firstly, grease a spring foam pan or cake ring and keep it ready. In a mixing bowl, toss the biscuit crumbs, brown sugar and melted butter together. You can add a little more melted butter if the mixture is too dry. You should be able to form a lump. Now drop spoonfuls of the mixture into a spring foam tin or the prepared cake ring and press it down tightly. Make sure it's evenly spread out. Leave it in the refrigerator to chill for 30 minutes. Now let's make the filling. Beat the cream cheese and caster sugar to soften. Scrape the bowl in between from the bottom. Once it's nicely beaten, add unsalted butter and whisk it again till it becomes pale and fluffy. Scrape the bowl in between, whisk it again and then add orange zest and incorporate it well. Now spoon this mixture over the biscuit base. Using a palette knife or a spoon, even out the mixture. And set this in the refrigerator for 2 to 3 hours. Now for the topping, I am using mango jam. Add a little water to it and microwave this. You need this consistency, like little flowy consistency. Run a knife all around to loosen up so that you can demold it easily. Pour this mango liquid over the cheesecake and spread it out evenly. I have some candied orange slices, so I am garnishing it with them. And that's it, your creamy cheesecake is ready, and that too without gelatin. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. Happy baking! See you all next Saturday.